Hello dosto and welcome. How are you all? Hope you are fit and hit. So this is requested video about use of trigonometry. Thanks Abhinav for requesting and let's start the topic. As you know, we are learning trigonometry since 9th class and since then we have this question. Now let me clear that we can't use trigonometry as basic algebra. Just like we went to shop and tell the shopkeeper give me a 10 rupee pen, 5 rupee pencil and 5 rupee eraser. And then we calculate as 10 plus 5 equals to 20 rupees and pay it. We can't use trigonometry in such way. But trigonometry helps us to earn those 20 rupees. Not only 20 rupees. I was just connecting the topics. So for earning, we do some work or job. If you want to become a shop holder or dealer or broker and kind of these jobs, then you don't need trigonometry that much. But if you want to become any kind of engineer, designer, architect, game developer, geologist, mathematicians, biologist, physicist, music producers and etc., you must know basics of trigonometry. This is the need of this subject. And in 9th and 10th class, we learned just basics. Then according to our selected subjects, we learned different aspects of trigonometry. Maybe you are thinking why these all professions need trigonometry. So here we go. Let's start from music. As we know, best music is best feed of our mind and soul. So what the music is actually? Waves. And what kind of waves? Sine waves and cosine waves. So here, if you don't know these functions or waves, you can't become good sound engineer. Next, trigonometry is used to know distances of objects and heights of buildings, mountains, trees. Some examples of this kind of application are in math book of class 10th maybe. Then another application is in constructions for measuring fields, making walls, install tiles, roof inclination, stairs inclinations. All these tasks need trigonometry knowledge. Whether you are engineer or architect, how can you become a good civil engineer or architect without the basic knowledge of trigonometry? Now in flight engineering, one have to keep information about speed and direction of plane and wind also. At this time, trigonometric angles help you to solve problems and give right path to the plane. Archaeologists use trigonometry to measure distances from underground water system. So if you want to become archaeologist, then please learn trigonometry. Then your favorite field, gaming. Most of you have played Mario, Pocket Tank and other shooting and racing games, also 3D games. All these games you have to set some angle for shoot or distance for race or specific angles for 3D effect. This all can be decided using trigonometry. So for being a good game developer, you must learn basics of trigonometry. Now in criminology, to calculate projectile trajectories, that is who fallen from where and how cars collide in accidents, also to find what was angle of bullet shot, trigonometry helps a lot. Marine biologists also use trigonometry to determine distances of underwater or sea animals, also to find size of animals from a specific distance. In oceanography, to calculate heights of tides, we use trigonometry. So if we want to study in field of oceanography, then you must study trigonometry of 9th and 10th class. Trigonometry is useful in navigation too, to find the correct path and straight direction using different sides and angles and by making their triangles. Then satellite system also use trigonometry. So if you want to work as space engineer, you must know it. It is also used in cartography, that is map creation, and also to study periodic functions. At last and in short, heights and distances are measured using trigonometry. So guys, I have tried to solve your every question about use of trigonometry and hope that you are satisfied with this video. And if it is, then please like, share and subscribe it just for my all hard work, searches and presentation. Also comment what you want to become, or are you doing any kind of work which include use of trigonometry. You can also extend list of uses in comment. Okay then, take care, keep smiling and keep studying. Thank you so much.